Good evening, everyone. Once again, I'm here with my new topic. So, today's topic is you can't change the direction of wind, but you can adjust the sail. These lines were quoted by Jimmy Dean. In Hindi, it means आप हवाओं का रुख नहीं बदल सकते, पर अपनी मंजिल तक पहुंचने के लिए आप जहाज की दिशा को ज़रूर बदल सकते हो. The sailing ship were adjust their sail in order to move in one direction, regardlessly in which direction the wind is blowing. In the same manner, we can't prevent obstacles to come in our life, but we can adapt our plan. We can change them according to the obstacle so that we can achieve our goal. Obstacles will come, problems will come in our life, but it's all up to us that how we can neglect them, how we can vanish them so that we can achieve our goal. Let's suppose there is a football match is going on and suddenly rain start. Then what will happen? Grounds get wet and slippery. At that time, what the players will say? Will they play or will they abort? What do you think? No, they will not abort. Why? Because they know the importance of the match. So, how they will play in slippery condition? At that time, what they will do? They will put off the shoes and play the football with barefoot. नंगे पाँव से खेलेंगे. They will play with the barefoot so that they can play easily. In that way, they will achieve their goal. They will win. Just like that, let's suppose you have an exam time just around the corner and you need to study regularly, but suddenly electricity went off. Then what you will do? Will you left your studies in between, or will you search for another option to study? What you will do? You will study and search for another option. So either you look for an inverter or a candle for having light, and after that you can continue your studies. So in this way you can vanish your obstacle. जो इंसान अपनी मंजिल पाना चाहता है, परेशानियां उसके रास्ते में आएंगी, परेशानियां उसके रास्ते का रोड़ा बनेंगी, पर वो उन सभी परेशानियों को दूर करेगा और अपनी मंजिल को पाएगा. That's why this quote was right. You can't change the direction of wind, but you can adjust the sail. आप परेशानियों को आने से नहीं रोक सकते, पर उनको दूर करने के लिए नए नए तरीके तो अपना सकते हो. थैंक यू.